Here's a small usability feature for Pulse. If every time that you begin to work, you have multiple dashboards and you want to open them up, let's say you have more than one monitor or the soft wall, then this is the default that you set up whatever your default is. But then if you, for example, want to open this one, the enrich one, then okay, you get this one, but you lost the other one. If you want to have two open, then you probably need to do things like duplicate your page, go to Pulse, wait until that loads, go to Pulse, and you begin to understand that this feature can make your life a little easier, and then select the other dashboard that you want and so on, right? And now you have, let me actually select this one as an example. So you have two here and another there, and then you put that one on the soft wall, etc., etc. Well, there's a better way, and that's the feature of the pinning of the dashboard. So I'm going to close the previous one. I'm going to have just one. Then if you want to have, for example, this one open automatically for you to put it in the extra monitor or the soft wall, all you need to do is first pop it up into a dedicated window. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Then once you do that, when you click here on the three dots, you have that pin window option. So that one is now pinned. Now let's say you don't have to do it with just two, which is most likely what you will do, but let's say that you have three. So let me actually go into this one that Victor did, the log source auditing, and I also want to ping that one as well. So I pop it up into a separate window. It's still loading, but I pop it up into a dedicated window, and I have the option to pin it from there. So I have two dashboards that I have pinned, right? I can even close all these windows. Let me see if there's another one here. No. Okay, that's all we have. Now, so you come back in the morning, the next day, and you want to open those windows at once. Well, now you have the option of clicking here and select this option, Open Pin Window. So I'm going to click it the first time, and here's one of the dashboards that I open, the first one. If I want to open the second one, I just go ahead in my main window here and click Open Pin Window, and that opens the second one. And notice that it preserved the size and way that you did it. Now you have all the multiple windows, and you can drag them to whatever monitor you want. And you know, small but interesting usability feature that my friend Shanlundi passed along, and I wanted to do the same with you guys.